Alright, so we didn't get a lot done on the car itself this weekend, but we did get some more stuff for the car.
So inside, she's basically going to be a 2016 Camaro.
So we went and scrounged some more stuff out of the Camaro. So out of the Camaro, we ended up with the console. We got the fuel tank for the pumps. We got the seats. Got the wiring harness. Got the pedal assembly down in here. Master cylinder. So pretty much gonna be a 2016 Camaro on the inside. Alright, got the seat set in, console in here, kind of rough idea how everything's going to be. I'm going to have to take the dash, put in a filler piece, bring it back probably 6 inches or so, build a filler up into the dash from the console. Got the pedals, everything for it. Heat and AC, I'm going to make all that work. Be a fancy, comfortable car to drive. What do you think?
I am beyond excited. It's gonna be fun.
Heated and cooled seats.
I am spoiled.
Well, hopefully next weekend we can start making some of this stuff fit. But for now, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share with all your friends. And we'll see you next weekend.